say we got definitely a hell of a lot further than a stock four-wheeler, or like a factory Renegade XMR or something, but it didn't give me a whole lot extra. See how fast we can get this thing to run through the water. It's almost too deep to try to get speed here. What a bad biatch! Ah, I love this thing. Put her in low, 4-wheel drive.